How to pay your American Express credit card bill. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can pay your American Express credit card bill. So to do that, first of all, go to the official homepage of American Express, which is americanexpress.com, and simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to make a payment or pay your credit card bill, simply tap on the option make payment, or you can also tap on the option payments and then tap on the option make a payment. After that, you will be taken to the payments page, where in order to make a payment, you'll have to first of all select from which bank account you'd like to pay. So in my case, I'll simply choose my Scotiabank's personal checking account. Now you'll have to choose the amount you'd like to pay. So it can be your minimum amount due or your outstanding balance, or if you want to pay a custom amount, you can simply tap on the option other amount and then enter how much you'd like to pay. After that, if you'd like to schedule a payment, you can simply choose the date when you'd like this payment to occur, and once you tap on the option make a payment, you will have successfully paid your credit card bill on Amex or American Express. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.